Back again with another bachelor's handbag. And today I'm making a marry me chicken.
I've used a gourmet chicken stock from Massel to provide the backbone of this recipe. As with every good recipe, you start with garlic and onions. Then this one goes off on a bit of a Mediterranean route with sun-dried tomatoes and chargrilled capsicum. In a cast iron pan or stainless steel, you want to add some ghee or a glug of olive oil, then sweat your garlic and onions, a little bit of salt and pepper, and a glug of wine for a little bit of razzle-dazzle. Then that gorgeous gourmet stock from Massel and some cream for, well, creaminess, I suppose. Sun-dried tomatoes and chargrilled capsicums and just let it do its thing. Then a bit of lemon zest, some oregano, some shredded basil, some parmesan, and your pasta. Then it's time to carefully remove those breasts from the bachelor's handbag, slice them up nicely, then find your finest bowl, so she's more likely to say yes. Fill it with that gorgeous saucy pasta, top with chicken, a little bit more shredded basil and parmesan, and you're off to the races. This is a seriously delicious recipe.
Make this one for your future wife. And hey, thank me later.
As always, please let me know how you go, and please let me know if she or he says yes.
How good's that?